Do you like to watch anime and you have a Tesla Model 3 or Y? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch anime on your Tesla screen. Disclaimer, you can also watch any of your favorite streaming sites using this method. Alright, step 1. We're going to go into our app list. We're going to click Theater. And we're going to click YouTube. That's going to take you to the YouTube screen. Let that load real quick. Okay, now we're gonna go into the search bar and you're gonna look for google.com or type in google.com. Now you can really use any of these videos as long as it has a google.com in the description or somewhere in the get more description. So we're gonna pause this video. We're gonna hit more. That's gonna show you a Google link there. You can just simply tap that. So this works with any video that has a Google link. And then now you have a Google search, full screen, and you can search your favorite streaming channels, streaming sites. I like to watch Crunchyroll. So I look for Crunchyroll. I'm gonna let that load, but really you can watch any streaming sites as long as they have an online streaming where you can watch it online and you don't need an app. You can do that. So see here it loads, and we're gonna do Spy Family. Perfect. I'll just continue watching. I'm gonna show you that this is working. And for copyright reasons, I'll stop that. So you can go in. Oh no. So you can go. Here, I'll just mute it. But there you go. You can actually watch anime full screen on your Tesla Model 3. If you guys need any help, make sure you leave the questions below in the comments. I'll try to help you and guide you to how you can do this. If you need any more help, just let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Tesla Dorian out.